taking a look at just what they're saying about it, just to see. So they're just rating it not great for entertainment because it doesn't have a lot of multimedia functionality. But I do like how it's very clean cut around the keys. You're not sacrificing a lot of extra space. So this will allow you to just have more space for your mouse, possibly for FPS, things like that. Well, no, I feel like it'd be hard to go wrong. This one. I don't know if you're gonna go TKS, but this one TKS could be really, really interesting because you have like so much room for your mouse. So I would say overall for me, the Red Dragon, I'd say it's great. It's a great pick. Although maybe if you're going TKS and you just want a really, really bare bones, nice, tactile, responsive keyboard, this could be one for you.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.